Hola, hola! Welcome to Learn Spanish with Mr. Brigs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher and I upload videos every Friday. Subscribe! Today's video is entitled How to Say Sure in Spanish. I have a playlist specific for teachers and students. I'll leave the link in the description. Check it out. If you're a teacher or a Spanish student in high school or primary school, you may find this playlist very useful. Check the description. Muy bien, comencemos. Let's commence. How do we say sure in Spanish? The Spanish word for sure is seguro. 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 Can you say seguro? That's right, seguro means sure. Seguro. Let's see some examples so that we can see how we use this word. So this is how you say, are you sure? If you're a boy, you would ask, ¿Estás seguro? If you're asking a girl, you would say, ¿Estás segura? ¿Estás seguro? O ¿Estás segura? Are you sure? ¿Estás seguro? ¿Estás segura? Siguiente ejemplo. Estoy seguro. I'm sure. Estoy seguro. If you're a female, you would say, Estoy segura. I am sure. 100% seguro. 100% sure. 100% segura. 100% sure. Female. I'm not sure. No estoy seguro. O no estoy segura if you're a female. I'm not sure. No estoy seguro. No estoy segura. Siguiente ejemplo. Almost sure o almost surely. Casi seguro. Casi seguro. And if you're a female, you would say casi segura. Veamos algunos ejemplos más. Let's see a few more examples. Por seguro. Por seguro. For sure. Por seguro. Por seguro means for sure. Can you say por seguro? Por seguro. For sure. Siguiente, next one. I'm sure he, she, it is coming. Estoy seguro que viene. Or if you're a female, you would say, Estoy segura que viene. John is coming. Estoy seguro que viene. Another example is, I'm sure you're going to be okay. Estoy seguro que vas a estar bien. And if you're a female, you'd say, Estoy segura que vas a estar bien. See if you can pronounce it. Seguro. This is how you say surely yes. Seguro que sí. Seguro que sí. Can you say surely yes in Spanish? Seguro que sí. Surely yes. Seguro que sí. Can you lend me a pen? Seguro. Now, you can also use por supuesto, claro, but you can also use seguro. Can you lend me a pen? Seguro. Sure. Muy bien, my amigos. I hope you enjoyed this mini short video. Sometimes the shorter, the simpler the lesson, the easier it is to remember. Please subscribe to my channel, Learn Spanish World, Learn English World. And if you want to eat some nice South American food, check my cooking channel, Que Rico Recipes. Fantastico, my amigos. It's been lovely seeing you. I hope to see you next time and take care of yourself. Cuídate. Adiós.